Connecting your SentryTell system couldn't be easier. We send your system ready to use. Plug the supplied network cable into your senior's router and connect the other end of the cable to the SentryTell hub. Next, connect the power cable to the hub and the other end into your nearest electrical outlet. Now just place your sensors where you want them and your SentryTell system will immediately start sending information to you through our app. The SentryTell Core Pack comes with 4 motion sensors and 2 door or window open-close sensors. The 4 motion sensors can be used to monitor the kitchen, living room, master bedroom, or master bathroom. The 2 open-close sensors can be used to cover 2 exterior doors of the home. When deciding where to put the sensor in each individual room, keep in mind that the sensor covers a 120-degree area and will pick up activity from about 20 feet away from the sensor itself. To get the most accurate reporting, place the sensors so they focus on that primary room. For example, in this room, where there is a hallway just outside the door, you want to make sure the sensor is placed in a way that it will not pick up activity from that hallway. In this particular case, the best location for the sensor would probably be in this corner, so that the only motion that would be captured would be from motion actually happening in this room. There are 2 open-close sensors included with the Core Pack. These can cover exterior doors of your senior's home. Remember, all these sensors are simply tracking activity. There are no cameras involved. Sensors are monitoring movement only and will alert you through the SentryTell app based on settings you define in the app. SentryTell can provide a lot of very useful information about your aging senior without using invasive cameras inside their home. These sensors are so universal that they can be used virtually anywhere indoors. Think about the information you want to know about your aging senior. You can use these on exterior doors to monitor how often doors are opened and alert you if an exterior door is opened at an unusual time of the day or night. You can use them to monitor the frequency of refrigerator access, so you have a better idea of your senior's nutrition intake. You can also monitor how often your senior is accessing medicines in their medicine cabinet. In the app, you can set each sensor to alert you when the frequency of access isn't normal. Motion sensors can be placed at the entrance to potentially unsafe areas. Each sensor can be easily set in the SentryTell app to alert you when activity is detected in these areas. As a reminder, the Core Pack is the starting point for the SentryTell system. With 4 motion sensors, 2 open-closed door sensors, and the SentryTell hub, that's everything you need to get started. It's easy to add more sensors to your system at any time.